Okay, so this experiment, what are we doing with the candy canes?
Gonna put the candy cane in the jar.
What is your hypothesis? What's going to happen to the candy canes?
It's gonna change.
Do you think any of those liquids will eat the candy cane?
No.
No? One of those liquids will not change the candy cane. Which one do you think will not do anything to the candy cane?
The oil.
Which of those liquids do you think will do the most damage?
Water. Hot water.
The hot water? Not the vinegar? All right. Let's unwrap the candy canes and see what happens.
We can't open the candy cane without breaking them. Because like, and that's okay. We just need one piece of the candy cane.
All right, let's see you put them in.
Number first.
What's that one?
Vinegar. Oil. Hot water. Hot water.
Look at the jars. What's already happening?
They're all changing.
Which ones are changing?
That one. This one does the most damage. I knew it. This does none damage. I can hear the pop one if you put your ear now. This one doesn't have any stripes.
So that was the part that was in the water. Look what happened. What happened?
The stripes went off.
There's no stripes. How cool is that? Now pull out the other piece. And that one had stripes, huh? It kind of broke in half, didn't it? And it fell in.
Yeah.
Now hold them next to each other. Hold them up next to each other. One of them is thinner than the other, huh?
This one is thinner.
It is. Whoa!
The warm one was eating the candy cane.
Okay, pull out that cold water one. Did it do the same thing?
Yeah.
Not quite. It still has stripes on it, doesn't it?
No, but what? It's hard. But it was.
Huh?
I think.
It's starting to, but just not as fast, huh?
Yeah, the hot water was.
That's cool.
This
What did the
one-
vinegar do?
It kind of was. Kind of.
Little bit. I'm surprised.
This one didn't do it at all.
And nothing is happening to the oil, huh?
My hypothesis was right. I should hot water.
You did. What a
What
smart
did
science
you
boy.
choose?
I thought vinegar would do the most damage. But I was wrong. Look at my eyes.
They're in science.